flood control nepo babies. Let's break it down.
Seriously.
贝瓦儿歌。
Yucky dirty, don't touch it. Oh so icky, don't touch it. Yucky dirty, don't touch it. Don't touch it, sturdy.
Girl. There is bigger fishes to motherfucking fry, especially in the Philippines right now. Like these motherfucking nepo babies using up people's money to buy and fund their lavish lifestyle and some of their questionable, ugly fashion choices, which I really feel like I saw this video the other day where I'm like, girl, where she was like, they really need to invest on a stylist before they invest on these motherfucking fashion stuff. Because I agree, I would be mad too if I was funding these motherfucking nepo babies' life and they're buying ugly things. I would be mad, trust.